that I got. And I know everyone knows basically what the Air Force Ones are, but I haven't really made a video in a while, so I figured I would. And yeah, so let's see. There's just all the information from the payment stuff. Receipt, alright. So yeah, Nike Air Force One. There's the box. Oh no. I like those. Put them out of the box here. And I really like these because they're made out of a different material than what they usually are. They have either the cloth and leather, then they have this. I'm trying to think of what it is. Maybe it's on the box, but yeah, it doesn't say, but if I find it, I'll post it on the screen. But yeah, then I liked the Air Force One abbreviation on the back, which I thought was pretty cool. Never seen that before. And yeah, I don't know if they look kind of green on the camera. Maybe that's just the lighting, but I thought they were like a grayish, but we'll see. Yeah, just a short little video. Nothing too special really, just unboxing of Nike Air Force One 2018. And I'm wearing my old ones there, but they've had their time, so I figured I'd get a new pair. So yeah, it's nice to have some new shoes. Another view of them there. You know, just the classic A1 mids. Yeah, they're not looking bad. Nice stitching and everything, so. I don't know about you guys, but on my last pair, after a while, my flaps, or the tongues of the shoe would get kind of tucked under this Velcro strap right here. And I don't know why I did that. Even if I pulled it back up, I don't know if I didn't really try relacing them much, but it just kept slipping back down. I don't know if they're just worn out or what. But yeah, unboxing. Oh, it just fell. Nike Air Force Ones. Thank you.